Hey you guys, I just wanted to come on right fast to let you know my seeds came today. My seeds came today. Yay! I got some seeds today from one of my YouTube friends, Stead Que here on YouTube. Let me show you guys what I got. So here it is. Let me get this thing open. Yep, so I got these from Stead Que. Make sure to go check her channel out. She is very funny. I love watching her channel. She does gardening, crocheting, shop-alongs. So here are the seeds. Make sure I don't, okay. So here we go. Oh yes, this is what I was looking forward to these because I never grew this before, and I thought if I could grow some, it would be fun for me and the grandkids to hopefully decorate them for the bird houses. Okay, and we got, what is this one? Oh, milkweed. I've never grew this before either, so curious to see how that's going to go. And then we have what is this here? Oh, bush beans. All right, and oh, I believe this is the zinnias. Yay, I love zinnias. All right, so here are my seeds. Thank you so much, Stead Que, and thank you all for watching and your support. Make sure you turn your notifications on and hit that like button, and make sure to check out Stead Que. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time.